Hello everyone, I am Dr. Ruchika and welcome to Creating Balance. Heart disease is one of the most common causes of death worldwide and is the number one cause of death in the United States. Preventing heart disease simply means making smart choices now that will pay off for the rest of your life. In this video, I will talk about simple lifestyle changes that can help you to protect your heart from heart disease and keep it healthy through each decade of your life. Now, anyone or at any age, one can be benefited from these simple tips and can keep their heart protected. Along with this, whenever you will take any step towards your healthy heart, your overall health will also get a boost. So let's begin the video. Heart diseases result from the narrowing of the arteries which supply blood to the heart. Fatty deposition gradually builds up on the inner walls of the arteries of the heart. This narrows the space in which the blood can flow. First of all, let's talk about the diet tips to protect your heart from heart diseases. Diet plays a very crucial role for healthy heart. The first thing that you need to do to protect your heart is to reduce the daily sodium intake in your diet. Eating too much sodium can contribute to high blood pressure, which is a risk factor for heart diseases. Reducing sodium is an important component of heart-healthy diet. The American Heart Association recommends that a healthy adult should have no more than 2300 milligrams of sodium per day, which is equivalent to 1 teaspoon of salt. But ideally, one should consume no more than 1500 milligrams of sodium per day, especially people who have high blood pressure. Most of us consume more than 10 times the amount of salt we need to meet our sodium requirement. Most of the sodium in our diet is not from the added salt while cooking, but from the packaged and processed foods. Also, it's easier to control the amount of salt we add while cooking, but over processed and packaged foods we have no control. Even the sweet foods and those foods that don't taste salty can have much more sodium than you expect. A very simple way to reduce sodium in your diet is to reduce the intake of packaged or fast foods. Instead, you can have home-cooked foods in which you have full control over the amount of salt you want to add. The next thing you can do to protect your heart is to limit the use of unhealthy fats in your diet. Limiting how much saturated or trans fat you eat helps you to control your blood cholesterol levels and also reduces your risk for heart diseases. Saturated fats that are present in animal products and processed foods increases the LDL or the bad cholesterol in your blood. Trans fats present in processed foods like cakes, biscuits, deep fried snacks also increases LDL, which is bad cholesterol, and decreases HDL, which is good cholesterol. So they are very damaging for our heart and can increase the risk of cardiovascular diseases. These fats will lead to plaque buildup in your arteries, so they will narrow up your arteries, so the blood supply to your heart will decrease. According to American Heart Association, you should avoid saturated and trans fats, but you can include polyunsaturated fats and monounsaturated fats in your diet, and they are present in nuts, seeds, olives, avocados, etc. The next dietary change that you can bring into your life for your healthy heart is to increase the amount of whole grains in your diet instead of refined grains. Whole grains are good sources of fiber and other nutrients that play a role in regulating blood pressure and improving heart health. You can very easily substitute refined grain products with whole wheat ones. The next dietary change to protect your heart is to include more fruits and vegetables in your diet. Fruits and vegetables are good sources of vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber. They also contain antioxidants and other substances that help you to prevent cardiovascular diseases. So it is very important to include a good amount of vegetables and fruits in your diet. The next thing which is very important to protect your heart from heart diseases is to control your portion size. How much you eat is as important as what you eat. Overloading your plate and then eating until you are stuffed is not a good option. Also try to increase the portion of healthy foods like fruits and vegetables in your diet and reduce the portion of unhealthy high sodium and high fat foods. Also try to completely avoid refined, processed, packaged fast foods as much as possible. For healthy heart, it is also very important to watch your weight. Always try to remain in a healthy weight range according to your height and your age. Then as you age, your metabolism slows down. So it is very important to adjust your diet and lifestyle accordingly as you age. After diet, the next important factor that plays a very key role in maintaining heart health is our exercise and physical activity. A Harvard study found that watching TV for 2 hours a day increases the risk of developing heart diseases by 15%, and additional TV time will further increase the risk of heart diseases. Your heart is a muscle and it gets stronger and healthier if you lead an active life. People who don't exercise are almost twice as likely to get a heart disease as compared to people who do exercise. For how much exercise do you actually need? I have a separate video on that and you can refer to that video also if you are interested. After diet and exercise, the very important thing that you need to take care of to prevent any kind of heart diseases is to control your stress. Long-term stress can lead to increase in heart rate and increase in blood pressure, which can ultimately damage your arteries or heart walls, and this will lead to heart diseases. Now you can change your lifestyle and prevent any kind of heart diseases very effectively. But you have to pay a special attention if you have any kind of family history of any kind of heart disease, then you have to pay a special attention to your lifestyle. That's it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. Stay happy to stay healthy. Thank you.